Hello everybody, and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be making Jamaican chicken curry. Our ingredients for today are, we've got some mixed spices, which is thyme, we've got all-purpose seasoning, salt, flavour enhancer, jerk seasoning, black pepper, pimentos and thyme. We've got some carrots, we've got mixed bell peppers, spring onions, we've got Irish potato, bit of ginger, some garlic cloves, onions, curry powder, and we've got a coconut milk what I juiced earlier on. This is an old coconut what I've broken and stripped down and blended it out and got the coconut milk out of it. And then we got our chicken, which is chopped up already, which my butcher done for me. Right, so those are our ingredients for today. If you like our videos, remember to like and subscribe and press the notification bell so you can get more of our videos. Right, so we've got our chicken which we've washed and prepared already, which was washed with vinegar and lemon juice, so that's already done. So to that I'm going to add 2 spoons of curry powder, then I'm going to add our thyme, which I'm just going to rake it off. So that's our thyme. Then we're going to add the rest of our seasonings into it. Then I'm just going to mix this in. So we've got all that mixed in. So I've already put my pot on the fire. So I've already got my pot on the fire and I've put it about 2 tablespoons of oil in there. So once that's heated up now, I'm just going to put 2 tablespoons of curry powder in there. So we're just going to brown up our curry powder for a bit. We don't want this to burn, we just want it to cook out a bit. So remember, if you like our videos, to like, share and subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and press the notification bell. If you want to make a comment, please leave it in the comment section below. Thank you. So we've browned up our curry. So now we're just going to put in our meat. So just going to brown this up a bit. With the chicken, some people take the skin off and some leave it on, but I've left mine on because that's how I like my one. So just going to let this brown up for a bit. As you can see, our chicken is coming along nicely now. So I'm just going to add the other ingredients. We've got our spring onions, we've got our carrots, we've got our bell peppers, and we've got our onions. Got about 5 cloves of garlic going into this. We've got some ginger, what I always put through the crusher as well. I'm just going to give that a stir in. And I'm going to put in the some Irish potato. Then I'm going to put in our coconut milk. So that's all our ingredients in now. We're just going to leave this on a medium heat until it goes down a bit. I'm going to put the cover on. Remember, if you like our videos, to like, share and subscribe. We will be back when it's ready, and we'll plate it up and show you how it looks. Right, everybody, so this is the finished article. We've got our pumpkin rice. We're serving it with some Jamaican chicken curry and tomatoes. So if you like our videos, remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And we will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.